And so I pray to unicorn every day. Unicorn, can you please solve my wire problem? I pray for 100 years, 200 years, 300 years, and finally one day, unicorn appear. Ta-ding, ta-ding, ta-ding. 然后呢 unicorn 就死了。Okay, guys, so 这个就是我 speaking Chinese. Guys, first off, we have the G933S wireless headphones, and here is the G913 mechanical RGB keyboard, and what we have here is the G903 wireless gaming mouse. And let's unbox this together. 我的口水掉出来。I accidentally sliced the box. Wow, 还有 sticker 的哦。How does the wireless work? 我手不进。
放下来了。Alright guys, so I will be doing the setup for these wireless peripherals for Logitech G, and we're gonna replace it with all the 很头痛的 wire 的 keyboard and mouse, and I'll be giving you guys a review very soon guys, so stay tuned.
Wonderful. Mm-hmm.